What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We're doing the randoms for the XPX serial number filler. We have 6 cards that were hit in this break that didn't have serial numbers on them. So what we're gonna do is we have the list right here. We're gonna random it 3 times. The person on top after 3 times will win the first card, which is the Zach Ashton Reese Black Lustrous Rookies, and then we'll random it each 1 time afterwards for the next card. So that will make more sense once I do it. Just gonna, I'll get the current time here in Utah, just to do 1 timestamp. So I'll go down here and we'll go live. I don't know why it's not posting. Come on now. I don't know why it's not posting. You guys could check on your own. It's not like we're running a RAS. So it's 9:31 here. You guys could check when that other one was posted. So we're going to go 3 times. The person after 3 times on top will win the Zach Ashton Reese. 1, 2, 3. Grant in spot 6 wins the Zach Ashton Reese. Let me write that down. Okay, the next random will win the Brock Besser base jersey. Grant in spot 7 wins the Brock Besser jersey. Next, the Zach Ashton Reese second black, and we're doing these in order in the way that we pulled them, guys. So this is the order that we pulled the cards. Robert, spot 4, wins a Reese Black auto. Next is the Timo Meyer superscripts. Marty, spot 2, that gets the Timo Meyer auto. Next is the PK Subban Radiant Materials. Grant, spot 8. And last but not least is the Radiant Materials of Crosby. Rob, spot 4. Congrats, everybody, and thank you for joining.